Exercise 9.3. 9.2 is exercise 9.2. Only based is monomian to multiply monomian. In this exercise will be multiplied by the monomian to binomian. Okay, that the first question is 4p. 4p multiply q plus r. Okay, 4p multiply q plus r. So there is a distribution law. Distribution law, you not primary classes you write a b plus c. So first will multiply a into b and फिर second multiply will be a into c. This is the distribution law. Okay, so they apply that 4p into q plus that first second is 4p multiply r. Okay, now we 4pq and plus 4pr. Then we pq and pr, they are not like terms. Okay, otherwise that with the like terms will be add. Okay, now second ab in bracket a minus b. First we will multiply ab into a, second we multiply ab into b. They are multiply a is a 2 times, that is a square b, minus here b is 2 times, that a is b square. Now third is 4a, that a square minus 9, a square minus 9. So first we will multiply 4a multiply a square and second is 4a into 9. Here is a is 2 times, here is 1, it means a power 3, 2 and 1 3, and minus it is a constant value, it is a constant value, a only variable, 9 4 9 is a 36, a, it is the answer. Okay, in one question is pq plus qr plus rp. Okay, and second number is 0. This is the fifth question, so that will be pq plus qr plus rp, that's multiplied by the 0. It's mean 0, because to have multiply any number to 0, it's the final answer is 0. And one question is here is a plus b and second number is 7a square b square. Okay, so first will we write 7a square b square is and bracket a plus b. Okay, and same multiply will be distribution. There is the first quantity to multiply a, it means 7a square b square multiply a and plus 7a square b square multiply b. Second time we multiply by the b. Here the count 7 a 2 and 3 times power of 3 and b is only 2 times. Next will be plus 7, here a is 2 times and b is a 2 and 1 3 times, so power of 3. Okay, question number 3, second question you solve in here book. Okay, now here a square multiply 2a power 22 multiply 4a power 26. So first will be here a square is the coefficient is 1, here coefficient is 2 and here coefficient is 4. Okay, then multiply a power 2 multiply a power 22 and multiply a power 26. Okay, first will be write the all constants and second step will be write the all variables. For the 4 to the 8 and a power count at 26 22 and 2, that we add is 0 1 50, so a power is 50. Okay, now second question is 2 upon 3 multiply 9 upon 10 because it is the variable into x y into x square y square. Okay, the 2 5s are 10 and 3 3s are 9, that is the minus 3 upon 5 x 1 and 2 3 x 3 times and y also 3 times. So this is the answer of after multiplication. Here will be solved. Then first will be write minus 10 upon 3 into 6 upon 5. Okay, and that p cube and p cube. Okay, that 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 5 1 is 1, 5 2 is 10. So that only minus 2 into how many times p? P is a, here is the value of power of 3 and 1. So that p power 4 and q 3 and 1 4. So that minus 4 p power 4 and q power 4. Okay, here no any variable, that 1 1 1 1 is 1. So that x how many times? 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So that the value of x power 10. Okay, first will be at the simplify 3x bracket 5 4x plus 5 and plus 3. Then after first you simplify and then after find the value of x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 upon 2. So that solution you see, first will be write 3x 4x plus 5 and plus 3. This is the algebraic expression. First will be solve the bracket, then after, so first open the bracket, that the first and then the second. So you solve 3x into 4x and plus 3x plus 5 and additional part of 3 is same to write. Okay, is equal to 3 4 ja 12 x square plus, here to you multiply, sorry, here to multiply first part and this is second part. First we will multiply that 3 5 ja 15x and plus additional 3. Okay, अब you check if in this expression no any like terms, but like terms you add and subtract. So there the 12x square 15x and 3, here the x square x and here is the not x, so they all will unlike terms. Okay, so that the simplify form क्या है 12x square plus 15x plus 3. Okay, this is the simplify. The first part will be okay. Now second part will be find the value of x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, so now solve, put the value of first is x is equal to 3. Okay, then we write 12, value of x is a 3, then power 2 plus 15 power 3 and plus 3. Now solve 12 into power 2 means 2 times plus 45 plus 3, here 3 3 is a 3 3 is a 9, 12 into 9 plus is add 48 and 12 plus the 9 is 144, 144 plus 48, 148 and plus 8 4 2 and 1 carry 4 4 8 9 and 1. It is the answer 192. 192 is the answer of they put the value of x is equal to 3. And second, now put the value of x upon 1 upon 2. Okay, which equation? That the equation 1. Okay, so that 12 is 1 upon 2 power of 2 okay, plus 15 into 1 upon 2 and plus 3. Okay, 12x square, x value is 1 upon 2 and power 2 plus 15 multiply x, then we multiply x is value of 1 upon 2 and plus 3. Okay, now solve. 12 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 plus 15 upon 2 plus 3 upon 1. 3 upon 1 will be changed in the rational number. Now 2 1 2 4 6 and 2 3. So that answer is 3 upon 1 plus 15 upon 2 plus 3 upon 1. Okay, so you write LCM is 2. 2 3 is 6 plus 15 plus 6. After some multiplication, 12 plus 15 upon 2 is equal to 27 upon 2. This is the value of 27 upon 2, where x value is 1 upon 2. Number 4, part of B. Similarly to first, we will simplify the given equation, and then after find the value of A 0 place and B A is 1 place and value of A is minus 1 place. Okay, so that first we simplify. A bracket A square plus A plus 1 and bracket 5. Okay, now here 1 multiply, second multiply and third multiply, means you first multiply A square, second multiply A and third multiply A multiply 1. If you write that A into A square plus A into A and plus A into 1 and additional part of 5. Okay, then we multiply. A is 2 and 1 is 3, A power 3, here 2 times of A square and plus A multiply 1 is A and plus 5. Okay, here A power 3, A power 2, A and 5, they all are unlike terms, so it means they are the final after the simplify, this is the answer. Okay, and now put the value of first is A is equal to 0. Okay, so that A is equal to 0 means 0 power 3 plus 0 power 2 plus 0 and plus 5. Okay, to solve. 0 power 3 is a 0, 0 power 2 is a 0 and 0 plus 5, it means that final answer is value of 5 in the place of A is equal to 0. Okay, next is put the value A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 in equation 1. Okay, that A is 1 power 3 plus 1 power 2 plus 1 and plus 5. 1 power 3 means 1 is multiplied 3 times is only 1, 1 is multiplied 2 times is 1 and 1 plus 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. The final answer is 8. Okay, and third is A. Again put the value, which value is A is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1 is the solution is minus 1 power of 3 plus minus 1 is power of 2 plus minus 1 and plus 5. Okay, here is rule of power and expand it, that the power of odd minus 1 is power of odd is answer is 1 and minus 1 is power of even number is equal to only 1. Okay, so here is a minus 1 power of 3, it means that final answer is minus 1. Here is a minus 1 power of even, here power of 2 means their answer is 1. Okay, and plus minus 1 plus 5. Okay, minus plus cancel, only that minus 1 plus 5 is equal to only 4. Now question number 5, add the three terms 1, 2 and 3. Okay, here will be use in addition method will be row method. Okay, and not use the column method. So that we write p minus q plus first number plus q minus r plus and r minus p. Okay, write the all terms between plus. Of solve, here is the open the bracket will be first second multiply first second multiply first and second multiply. Okay, then the p multiply p minus p multiply q. Okay, second is plus q multiply q minus q multiply r. Okay, and will be third is plus r multiply r minus r multiply p. Okay, solve the brackets, then we solve. P is 2 times means p square minus pq plus q square minus qr plus r square and minus rp. Okay, and all our terms will be arranged because p square is not here, pq not any one terms, q not here and qr, so they are all terms will be unlike terms. So this is the answer, but write the arrange that p square plus q square plus r square. First will be write the positive number square form, then write the pq minus qr and minus r. So this is the answer of after addition. The next is add is the first part and second part. Here will be 2x in bracket z minus x minus y, here 2y in bracket z minus y minus x, means first will be multiply then after add. So we write 2x z minus x minus y plus 2y z minus y minus x. Okay, up then we multiply means first multiply, second multiply and third multiply. Similarly first will be multiply z here and here. Okay, then we write 2xz minus 2x square, because 2x and x is 2 times of x. Okay, and minus 2xy plus 2yz minus plus minus minus and 2y into y and plus a minus 2y into x. Now arrange 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy plus 2yz minus 2y square and minus 2xy. We'll write the xy. Okay, then xz is not here, you write the 2xz, 2 minus 2x square and minus 2xy and minus 2xy, minus 2xy minus 2xy and plus 2yz and minus 2y square, because here same term like terms xy xy. तो that 2xz minus 2x square, that minus and minus means minus 4xy plus 2yz minus 2y square. This is the answer. And write, if is no any problem, कि first term you write 2xz या 4xz xy. It is the all terms will increase is in order is change, no problem. Subtract, it is the C is 3 question and 3l in bracket l minus 4m plus 5n from means second to first 4l 10n minus 3m plus 2l. Okay, in subtract, so first before the subtraction you solve the multiplication. So that solve 3l l minus 4m plus 5n from 4l 10n minus 3m plus 2l. Here solve, here will be solve first multiply, second and third. Similarly first multiply, second multiply and third multiply. So that the solve, directly solve 3l square, because 3 here is the 1, 3 1 is 3 and l is 2 times, minus 3 4 जा 12, 3 4 जा 12 l m, तो m l लिख सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. लो ऑफ कम्यूटेटिव प्लस 3 5 जा 15 एंड l m, यू राइट द l l n l लिख दीजिए, l n. ओके, दिस द फर्स्ट bracket from multiply 4 10 4 into 10 is equal to 40 and lm, here is the ln minus 4 3 is 12 ml and 4 2 is 8, 4 2 is 8 l square. Okay, here is the first expression, then second expression, and you write the column method and write the answer is 40 lm minus 12 ml plus 8 l square, subtract 3l square plus sign minus 12 ml is a here minus 12 ml and plus 15 l, 1 minute, l 3l square ml and ln, here is ln ml and l square. Okay, and change the sign because it is a subtraction, this is the minus plus, and here is the sign is which type of sign, plus, so you change is minus. Okay, so that l square is plus 5l square, plus and minus is 0 ml, and here subtract 5 25 ln, so your answer is 25 ln plus 5 l square. In this question we'll use the row method for the subtraction. Okay, column method we already write, but both method will be you have learned. Okay, so that first is from means 4c minus a plus b plus c minus. Okay, and second bracket after the minus you have put the bracket is 3a plus b plus c and minus 2b, that a minus b plus c. Okay, second value minus and first value, and अब solve the internal part. Solve the internal part means first you multiply 1 point, second and third. So 4 minus 4 AC. A and C. AC and C. And the AC and C are same because 1 multiply 3 and 3 multiply 1 are the same. Okay. Now next is a plus 4 BC. 4 BC and plus 4C square, in bracket close, minus sign. Okay. Now next will be 3A square plus 3AB and plus 3AC. AB and AC. Same. Here is the minus. Minus sign will be multiply. Okay. So minus 2AB minus and minus will be plus, then be 2B square, again minus, and plus is minus is 2BC. Okay. Then open the bracket. It is very important we learn that minus AC plus 4BC plus 4C square. That's the first part. Minus, only you multiply minus sign inside of the bracket, that the 3A square minus plus minus 3AB minus plus minus 3AC. Okay. Minus plus is 2AB minus plus minus is 2B square, and minus plus is 2BC. Okay. Next step, you find the like terms. Like terms means that AC is AC. Okay. BC in BC and AB and AB. Like terms will be write the similarly to minus 4AC. Okay. And minus 3AC. Clear? Then next will be plus of BC plus 4BC and plus 2BC. Okay. Now third terms, do terms clear. Here is a next will be minus 3AB and plus 2AB. They both are like terms. Okay. And write the continue, and remaining is terms is 4AC square minus 3A square and minus 2B square. Here this is the unlike terms. Will 3 unlike terms will write the separately, and like terms that the 4AC square AC is a, here is the AC, you write BC, and this is the BC will be right, and AB and AB will be continue right, and solve. Here AC and AC, so that the minus 7 AC. Here plus 6 BC. Here minus plus, the minus only AB, because 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 and 1 is not written. 1 AB means only AB. Okay. Next is plus 4C square minus 3A square and minus 2B square. So this is the answer. Okay. And this is the standard writing answer is start the positive number. So you write the 6BC minus 7AC minus AB plus 4C square minus 3A square and minus 2B square. Okay. Peace.